Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We wanted to update some of our older videos, so this video is on the Benchmade Bugout, and this is in the Ranger Green, part number 535GRY-1. Before I continue, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. So it features a CPM S30V drop point blade, and it has a Cerakote finish to the blade. It comes obviously in the Ranger Green Grivory scales, and it also includes a lanyard hole at the end. So these cost $171 with free shipping at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. And again, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. That helps us out a lot, and it keeps you informed of new products, new discounts, clearance items, so on and so forth. Thank you for watching.